What's up, everybody? It's JMV TV, and we at Max here. About to sneak in this bitch, stay all night. We got our munchies and everything. All right, we'll let you know what happens when we get inside. Hey!
Alright, so we're the only people in right now. We got 3 people following us. If I show you one. We're gonna jump into it. We're in the arcade now. We're looking for a place to hide. Huh? Yeah.
Bro, they is on us like glue.
Maybe we can go in the party room. But I don't know if they check those. Yeah. Look at them. Put the camera down.
Dude, we took a huge ass L.
We can't help it. They're fucking onto us.
You should have never got the camera out. You hear me?
Huh?
You should have never got the camera out.
Well, whenever we were hiding over there, the dude literally looked me in the eyes. He's seen what we were doing.
Where?
Over there, whenever we first came in.
I know. I think that put it off.
I know. We didn't know he was there. He was just standing there watching us.
We should have looked at it.
Fuck. Well, guys, if this video don't work out, like Mr. Hensley, they said that the security here was trash.
These niggas was on us as soon as we walked in there. Oh, what's this?
That's fucking dodgeball.
We ain't even jumping here.
No one's even in there. Dodgeball, we didn't even jump there. This shit was lame. We took a big ass L. Yeah, he is. It's literally right there.
Are they looking hard?
Are you going to jump?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll report him. I'll probably take my shoes off of him. Huh? What?
She just came back.
Who? Look at her, bro.
Attention, jumpers. Wearing a pink wristband. Please exit the trampolines. Your flight time is now over. Thank you for coming to Exit and please fly
Fuck.
again.
Well, trying to fucking do this.
This was fun.
They're open? Fucking time. Huh?
You got told us that?
No.
Dude, I'm a goat at Pac-Man.
This. Ooh. We're broke though. Wanna know what trick I can do? I just think this was so dope when I was a kid. Where the fuck did you get a quarter?
Huh?
Where'd you get a quarter?
Cause I'm a goat. She bad.
We should go and unplug every damn vending machine in this bitch.
Bill, I left my phone.
I swear.
Swear to God.
What the fuck? Are you serious?
Yeah.
What the fuck? So dumbass and left us alone. You ever think we shouldn't cuss as much? You think we have like younger subscribers? Little kids? No. Did you actually leave your phone? Did you actually leave your phone? What? Is it like a wall?
Yeah.
Looking at fracture. Fuck.
That would work too.
Did you actually leave your phone or no?
Huh?
Did you actually leave your phone? Uh-uh. Fuck. Just grab them balls. Grab them balls. We might as well do something illegal while we're here.
Put it.
About to hoop.
I'm hitting. Last shot.
You fucking. Let me do it. Hold this. Record me.
No.
Nick, are you fucking? You're a fucking bitch. Alright, I guess we're gonna call Eric. Fuck. Alright, guys, but we're not giving up. Next stop, Walmart. Toilet paper for it. And we're not. Bro, we should unplug every single fucking machine.
Sit down. Sit down, hurry. I'm afraid they're looking at the cameras though.
What?
I'm afraid they're looking at the cameras.
I know. It's currently 11:34. We're still in this party room. Gang shit. Been here for almost an hour. 1 o'clock, we're gonna go explore, see if anyone's here. We in this bitch. This thing for 2 hours.
About to go jump, cuz. First we gotta look out the window. And then when we got there, we're gonna look for the lights. Come on. We're good.
Keep going.
All right, come on. Look out there. Oh shit, nigga. Shut up. Alright, record. Look out the window. I'm about to go over there. Look out that window. See if there's any cars outside. Wish me good luck. Alright, bro, I'm about to go back to this.
What the fuck is this, bro?
Here we go.
Which one are you gonna flick?
Any, because Shut your ugly ass up. Nigga, we don't care about no fingerprints. They ain't gonna check this. Alright, bro. No, go under on that side.
This side?
Under on this far left side.
Far right side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna have to turn this camera. Hey, we'll get back with John in a minute. I'm about to help him.
Bro, we fucking did it. We did it. We got all the lights on. Let's give you guys an update on the time. Currently 1:33 in the morning. Shit.
Nigga, don't ever say we can't. We got these bombs. Hey, we got the bombs in here. Yeah, bro. I think someone just came in. Come on. Where's my phone? Come on, bro. Come on. Under here. Come on, grab this, grab my jacket. What? Oh, my food. What was that? Don't get my honey bun. Gang, gang. We about to smash. Let's go, hurry, bro.
Little snack break. And we sponsored by Munchos. $2 only. Also, honey bun. Go get that nasty shit for 50 cents.
Bro, I'm hungry though, so.
Hey, bro, who trying to come through? We'll let y'all in.
You gotta pay $12 though. Bro, this is not fair. We did not get nothing to drink. And we didn't bring no money. Bet I work everybody in Pac-Man now. Look, that's my high score. I did that. No, this is my high score. I did that. I'm about to win Lauren something. Huh?
She said when someone gets here like 5 6.
We straight, bro. Just chill. I got the whip in this thing, bro. Whip. Come on. Oh. Foosball. That thing costs money, really? Come on. Oh,
Dumb bitch.
Alright, come on, we're ready to go jump again, bro. Let's get it. We did this. Dude, let's get in the kid thing. Come on. Here. Hold it. The kid thing's super bouncy. People are about to get here, so let's go find an escape plan. Oh, my chips. Hold the camera, bro. I'm eating.
You wanna go get your shoes and stuff?
We'll go get my shoes when we find the way out.
Alright, let's go.
Huh?
Your shoes are over here.
I know, but we're gonna find the bed first. Alright, our camera died. We're on our phone. It's 8 o'clock. Our ride's outside. We about to fucking dip, bro. We tired as fuck. Cold. This was a success. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you shitting me. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my nigga. My dude. My nigga, bro. Let's get the fuck up out of here, bro. Let's get the fuck up out this motherfucking bitch. This was a success, my dude. We out this thing, coach. I got front.